So now what Dadaji says those days were very nice. Okay, those days were very nice, but these days difficult. Now government has made a law, no one can catch wild animal and keep them. Okay, what is a government law? No one can catch animal and wild animal and keep them. So because some people kill the animals and sell their skin at high price, so they made a law against this. So what Dadaji said, uh, those days are very nice, were very nice, but these days difficult because government had made law. What which law government made? Which which law government has made? Government has made a law. No one can catch a wild animal and keep them. So snake is also wild animal. So snake is also wild animal. So according to government law, no one can keep the snakes with them and even a snake charmers. So that's why Dadaji say it is so difficult to them to earn money. They never, because now they cannot catch a snakes and they cannot keep snakes with them. So it is very difficult to them who's to snake charmer to earn money. And why the government has made this law? Because some bad people, they catch the wild animals, they kill the animals, they kill the snakes for their body parts and for their skin. They sell their body parts and skin at very high price. So to stop these people, government has made the law against these people. So that is no one can catch wild animals and keep them. If somebody is caught with the wild animals, that time the government will be send them in the jail. If somebody is caught with this wild animal, if somebody catch the wild animals and keep with them, that time he will be sent to the jail. So student, underline this. What is the government law against the hunters and why they made for and why they made uh, this law? Because some bad people catch the animals and they sell their body parts and skin uh, at high price. In last lesson, I told you how the poachers and hunters hunt the animals like tiger, rhinoceros, then snake, deer for their body part and for and they sell their skin and body part at very high price in the market. That's why government made a law against such kind of people. So let's see ahead. So they made a law against this. Now with this law, how will we earn livelihood? As I told you, that's why this day is very difficult for charmers because they cannot catch the snakes, so they cannot able to earn money. And nowadays many entertain things is available like TV, YouTube. People watch that TV, YouTube, and they entertain themselves. They are not interested nowadays in show of snake charmers. But what Dadaji said, we people never kill the snakes. The snake are their treasure. They never kill the snakes. They keep their snakes with them. Okay, but they never sold their skin. They never harm the snakes because for snake charmer, snake is a friend. Okay, snake is friend. But people say that we keep the snakes in bad condition, but nothing like that. If we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes. So what Arena said, if we wanted, we are not doing anything with the snake. We keep the snake nicely with us. Okay, we not harm them. But people said, ki, you keep that snake in bad condition. So Arena said nothing like that. If we could have to earn money, that then we can earn money, lots of money by killing the snakes, but we are not doing any bad things with the snake. But because snake is their treasure. Okay, treasure means what? खजाना. Snake क्या है? उनका खजाना है. Due to the snake they earn their money, they live their livelihood, so that we pass on from a generation to another. So there these snakes show is a they pass to generation, and due to that Arinath learned this skill of snake charmers due to his father and forefather. Even they also give the snakes to their daughters in their married. Okay, in their marriage they give the gifts of snakes in their daughters marriage. But nowadays they cannot catch snake, right? So Kalbelia started to dance in to entertain people. Okay, so Kalbelia community people, they started to dance to entertain people. And how they entertain due to the dance, you can see here the picture of Kalbelia's dance. It is a picture of Rajasthan, we can say the Rajasthan folk dance. It is a very famous Rajasthan's folk dance. See how the people of Kalbelia's community playing beans, and they are making snake, they are following the snake step. Okay, Kalbelia dance, now Kalbelia dance is a one for folk dance, and we can see this kind of dance in Rajasthan. So in this dance, the movement, the step of dance is similar to the dance of snake. So nowadays Kalbelia's community people entertain people due to this, from this dance. So they started to dance like this. It is a where Kalbelia dance is a famous dance in Rajasthan. It is a folk dance of Rajasthan, and they following the step of the movement of the snake. Now, which instrument used in this dance, students? See, bean, tumba, khanjiri, dhol. This instrument used in this dance, for in this dance. Except dhol, all other three instruments are made from the dry गाउड मीन्स क्या, लौकी, जो ड्राई लौकी होती है उसके उससे किए जाते हैं. सो बाय यूजिंग तुम्बा, बीन एंड खंजरी एंड डोल, people dance and their step is similar to the snake dance. So in this way Aryana's story is finished. So in Aryana's story, which things we learn? We learn about snake charmer. Snake charmer is a people who entertain the people by playing music. Then bean is a musical instrument. Kalbelias means what? Kalbelias is a name given to the community of a snake charmers. Though which things we learn about snake charmer? Snake charmer also called Kalbelias. Okay, snake charmer entertain people with the snake dance, and they give medicine made by plants collected from the forest to the people, and in return people would give money or food grains to the people, to the snake charmer. They carry, who? Snake charmer carry snake in a bamboo basket, and from the mark of the snake bite they could find out with the snake which snake has bitten. Means they can recognize the which snake has bitten to the person by only seeing the mark of snakes, bitten mark of snakes. So that's it. It's all about the snake charmers. Now, and which second things we learn due to the Aryanath story, we learn about the snakes. So which things we learn about the snakes? So all snake is not poisonous. Poison snake cause a death of on the spot, and the snake are famous. Snake are farmers' friend. Why snake called farmers' friend? Because snake eat rats in the fields which spoil the crop. Then snake do not chew a food as they don't have chewing teeth. Okay, just snake don't have chewing teeth. They swallow their prey. Okay, they swallow their prey. They don't have chewing teeth. Swallow means what? Nigalna. Then fangs. As I shown you in the picture, snake have two poisonous teeth of snake. Fangs means two poison teeth of snake. Snake don't have external ears, and snake can actually feel the vibration in the air. Okay, when bean is played. Snake don't have external air. Snake only feel the vibration of bean. What is meant by vibration? Vibration is the movement in the air which can feel when a loud music is playing.